Hey there everyone, we are here at the HRE open house. Today of course I brought the venerable VR6 supercharged Corrado because it's rolling on HRE 535, vintage wheels from back in the day, and so we were invited to come and show it off. But we're going to be checking out the factory here. They got some really cool stuff happening here. They're premiering their new carbon fiber wheels, and yeah, we'll be checking out all the carbon fibery goodness, all the HRE goodness, lots of amazing cars here today. So let's see what kind of mayhem we can get into. We're starting off our day in the HRE showroom. We're getting a factory tour. Alan Peltier, who's the president of HRE and fellow Star Wars nerd, is going to be showing us around how they make these really cool wheels, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
I'm going to give you guys a little bit of background on HRE today. And about the time you get bored, I'll talk about wheels, and I'll explain a little bit about how we make wheels. That'll bore you as well. And then we'll go I'll give you a little tour of the production facility. Okay.
Dad versus daughter on the slot car races here, so we'll see. She's sporting the new HRE beanie. All right, we'll see.
All right, color your controller, color your car. That trigger is a throttle, and it's not an on and off switch. All right, it's going to slow down over there. You want to keep it going through the bank turn here.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Aha. Oh, I sneaked past her. There we go. Yeah, yeah. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. There we go. Uh-huh.
That's the race. Blue is the winner.
Woohoo! Yeah, blue. One of the rare times I beat my daughter in a racing game these days, right?
It's only when it's an RC car, huh?
Oh, yeah, it's real world. VF supercharger, yes. Cliffjumper approved. And what's this? What's this? Yes. They have a Corrado for their logo. So this is obviously the best company ever. Yes. Unimog. What's up, brother? Good to see you. Those are the greenest HREs I've ever seen.
I was going to say, this is a green vehicle.
Yes. Very green.
How you been?
I'm good, man. Yep, it's still on the road, it's still working. Got our nesting doll collection on display out in here. I used to drive around my buddy's 67 Austin Radford, and wow, I just can't imagine what it would be like with a B16 VTEC motor in this thing, because it was already pretty quick just with the little 1275. This, oh yes, Cliffjumper approved. a little baby Hummer. We've got art imitating life. The front wheel just came off of my little nesting doll Corrado, just like what happened to the real thing. Well, that about wraps it up. Little snapshot of the HRE Open House 2022. Was glad to be invited and be a part of this. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share maybe if you know other car nerds that might like some of the stuff I'm putting out there. Please share my videos. It'd be super helpful. Anyway, thanks. We are gonna go back and do an open house at our house tonight, so that'll be a lot of fun. And wish you could be there, but we don't hold that many people. Anyway, God bless you. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.